So here we're showing up the Aqua blade. Aqua blade is one of the new window cleaners on the market. It doesn't need a technique anymore. It takes up the water, runs straight into the housing. Patented blade with a special design, stops lines on the glass. The water runs straight into the tank. You can start and stop wherever you like. Dry the sills at the same time, and all you need with it is detergent and water. Dirty water goes straight back into the tank. You can work large windows, small windows. The blade is super flexible, fantastic for shower screens, for car glass, for pool fences, balustrading. As soon as the squeegee touches, the glass is straight bone dry. One of the strongest points of the product, it does the hardest part of the window with ease, the corner, all the way down into the bottom corner. No more technique required. Invented by a man that's been doing nothing but squeegees for 35 years. Still made in Germany today. Unchallenged, unrivaled Aqua blade. Super nice on the lower parts, especially in the shower, where normally you have to focus on the angle. Now here the blade bends, and we can pick up little spots out of the middle of the glass, such as fingerprints, smudge marks, dog's noses, without seeing start and stop marks, without a swivel technique, no lines, no messy drips. Water goes straight into the housing, and then you just pour that back into the bucket.